yan ba yung Diary today?
Obvious ba?
Eh di akin na dapat yan. Alam mo, dapat dinideliver mo muna yan bago mo binabasa. Kaya tinatanghali yung dyaryo dito.
Hindi pa ako tapos sa comics, oh.
Mamaya ka na. Ako muna. Kasi gusto kong malaman ang national at international politics news, ano? Ano ba to? Puro bad news, bad news! I can't believe that in the past 24 hours, walang nangyaring maganda sa buong mundo. Puro bad news na lang. Hindi mo sila pwede magsulat naman ng good news?
Uy, ito may good news, oh. Scientific studies confirm that coffee has more antioxidants than red wine or green tea. Oh, di ba?
O eh namang good news doon, eh antay nga.
Hello, halika nga. Papaliwanag ko sa'yo. Napapansin mo ba, pag yung apple, hinati mo, ha? Tapos pag tumagal siya, nagiging brown, yun ang oxidation. Imagine what oxidants can do to our skin. Kaya yun ang nilalabanan ng antioxidants.
If that's the case, eh di good news nga. Magkakapi pa ako.
Amanda! Did you do that report for the CDO management? You promised to deliver that today!
Well, about that, Ma'am Carol, eh, gusto niyo bang marinig yung good news o yung bad news?
Amanda, maingay ka. How can I enjoy my 1 cup of coffee kung nag-shoplift ka naman sa isang antique shop sa Kamuning?
Alam mo, Harvey, sa tatay ko pa tong typewriter na to, no? And FYI lang, ha, isa sa mga journalist na pinakulong ni Marcos ang tatay ko. I am simply honoring his legacy by writing to all the major newspapers in the country.
To Philippine Daily Ink, Philippine Moon, to Manila Bullet. Alam mo, kulang na lang Daily Planet ang sulatan mo.
Daily Planet, that's a good idea. Susalatan ko si Lois Lane, sabihin ko sa kanya, alam mo, Lois Lane, Superman, tsaka si Clark Kent, iisa. Tapos...
Teka. Why all the fuss? Ano bang kinagagalit mo at binubulabog mo ang press?
I am simply fighting for the truth and for your peace of mind, Harvey. I am demanding all the newspaper organizations na sumulat naman sila ng something positive, ng good news, hindi puro negative na lang. Nasasawa na ako. Good news! We need good news!
I have a good news for you.
What is it?
May email at laptop na ngayon. Try mo. Mas tahimik.
Vince, binabasa mo naman ba yung comics bago mo i-deliver ang dyaryo sa amin?
Hindi. Binabasa tong letter mo to the editor. Ang gaganda ng mga niraise mong points dito, ha. In fairness.
This is it! My father would have been proud! I am now a published author! Akin na yung pagkapiling ko!
Sandali. Hindi pa nga nababasa, eh. Amanda! More fannings! Iba talaga impact nung sinulat mong article.
Grabe! Talagang pinagpapala ang nagkakalat ng mabuting balita!
Oh, it's Amanda, the famous writer.
Ma'am Carol, I'm already finishing the report. Anytime soon, I will submit it to you.
You don't have to worry about that report, or any report for that matter.
But why?
What do you want to hear first? The good news or the